Hi, this week's video is about the Isle of Carmen, or Isla Carmen, and in particular the Balandra anchorage. Suffers from a few bees and wasps, but overall it's a pretty good spot. Main reason for going there, I think the dingy bottom is a bit caked in growth, so I need to get it up on a beach and clean the bottom. The boat probably needs the same thing. Not sure whether I'm going to do that there or not, but I hope you enjoy the video. Great spot, great anchorage, great scenery, and I thank you in advance for watching the video. Cheers. As you can see, there's a lot of growth on the bottom. Oh crap. Oh dear, should have done it sooner. I'll take a quick picture or video of the bay before I start the work. There's Milagro. Milagro. There we go. Time to start work. Memo to me: do not let the dinghy get like that again. It was a bloody nightmare to get it off. Thousands of cuts and slashes on my hands, but it's done. Well, especially, I really need to turn it over, and I haven't brought the engine lock key with me, so that'll have to do for today. Let me show you underneath. It's not brilliant, but this is all the crap that came off of it. That's from being lazy and not raising the dinghy out of the water in the evenings, which I will do from this point onwards. Should have known. I don't know how to do this before, but I just didn't think. What an idiot. Oh well, I hope this breeze changes. It wasn't supposed to be a westerly wind, but that's what it is. We'll see what happens later on. It's not a good anchorage in a westerly. Look at the mess under there. I get first prize for being an idiot on this one for leaving it so long. Now I've got to do the bottom of the boat. I'll wait for a nice calm day, and that's going to be a sod. Wow, I've never seen it like this before. Wow. I don't know whether that's water. Well, it hardly ever rains, so it's probably coming from the sea. And yeah, look, it's breached over here. You can just see it. So it's come in there and filled it. Wow. That'll be stagnant as hell. I did see a fish jump in there though, so it can't be too bad. I doubt whether it's fresh water, but I ain't gonna taste it. Nah, it won't be fresh water, it'll be a breach, I think. Thought there'd be more boats in here. Mind you, the westerlies have just stopped. They've been for the last 3 days, so people would have cleared out of here because it's no good in westerlies. I'll be okay for the next 3 or 4 days. Then there's a small one due, and I'm not sure what to do yet. I'll just keep checking the weather. I might have to get out of here. I like this anchorage. It's pretty barren, but I've stopped here many times. You can actually get lobster here. Early morning, Balandra anchorage. It's a great spot, but but there's lots of bees, like hundreds. They come onto the boat just to look for fresh water and buzz around and realise there isn't any, and then they bugger off. But then another lot arrives to have another look. So yeah, I mean, it's okay. They don't haven't been stung or anything, but it's just this constant buzzing. Couple of other boats here. Expect a few more the next day or so. Very calm. So yesterday, as you saw, I cleaned the bottom of the dinghy, which was a bit of a mess. I left it in the water in Puerto Escondido for about a month on the back of the boat, which was a mistake. I'll have to get back into the routine of lifting it out of the water every night. The only thing is, the hull's not been cleaned on the boat for 7 weeks. So that's something I've got to do. Not looking forward to it, because I think it's going to be a bit of a mess if the dinghy's anything to go by. But yeah, I'll have to get my head together and get all that organised and sorted out. Don't know when I'm going to do it. The water's still pretty cool, but I do have a wetsuit. It's not actually warmed up yet, which is a bit unusual really, because this time of the year it's normally a bit warmer. I'll have to stop being a sissy and get in. I don't know whether you can see that, but the bees are sucking up the dew on the non-skid. There's another one. He's flown away. That's the main one there. They come and have a look, and then if they don't find anything, they bugger off. Some friends of mine turned up this morning out of the blue. Bill and Julie on Voyager, who've been good friends for about, I don't know, about 12 years now. We've shared many anchorages together over the years. And yeah, they turned up this morning, which is good. Time to catch up. A nice calm morning. Time for a stroll along the beach. You can see the erosion when the northerly winds come in, or when there's a hurricane, just wearing it all away. The Hans Christian you see in the foreground there, I met the people in the cruise, Martin and Wendy. It's their first season cruising. They've just come back from Bahia Concepcion. Sitting there patiently waiting for fish. Oh, I don't know what that one is back there, the really thin one. That's different. Home sweet home. One of the best things about living in Mexico is their bacon. Proper thick cut bacon. Not squirted full of water like you get in the supermarkets in most countries, but straight from the butcher and about 3 times as thick as normal bacon. It is gorgeous. And cheap as chips. You buy it by the kilo. It's about 120 pesos, which is about $9 Australian. Gonna cook a couple of eggs and have bacon and eggs for lunch. It's a big school of fish under the boat. I think they're in the shade of the sun. They keep going underneath and then coming back out for a look. Hope you enjoyed that one. Good fun as always making it. Got a few grazes on the knuckles from cleaning the bottom of the boat, but it's got to be done. My fault for leaving it for so long. Anyway, appreciate you watching the video. And the next one will be a move to an anchorage called Nopalo or Loreto Bay. Never been there before. Well, I say never. I went there about 12 years ago before the development was really started. So I'm expecting something different this time. But thanks for watching the video. Take care.